The Pixel 11 lineup has eliminated the 128GB storage tier, effectively raising the entry price by $100 across the entire family. Google is offsetting that increase by doubling the base storage, introducing the Tensor G6 chip, and moving to an operating system built entirely around the Gemini AI. These changes signal a move away from competing on raw hardware specifications toward a focus on native creator tools and sensor-level aesthetic control. By prioritizing ecosystem integration over entry-level pricing, Google is shifting the industry's focus from a traditional spec race to a contest for AI ecosystem lock-in. Retail pricing starts at $899 for the base Pixel 11, $1,099 for the Pro, and $1,299 for the Pro XL. The new Tensor G6 chip provides a 50% boost in AI compute power, while the screen glass is now twice as scratch-resistant as the previous generation. This data table reveals a significant hardware trade-off. While the base Pixel 11 Pro doubled its storage, the memory actually dropped from 16GB down to 12. Access to that 16GB RAM tier is now limited to the more expensive 512GB and 1TB models. Google is requiring power users to pay a premium for memory, relying on the efficiency of the Tensor G6 to manage baseline Gemini tasks. The Pro models feature a new 50-megapixel main sensor and a redesigned 48-megapixel telephoto lens that captures significantly more light. The hardware supports a new feature called camera looks. Unlike a standard filter applied after you take a photo, these styles are integrated into the initial capture process. Camera looks processes contrast and film grain directly at the sensor level, adjusting the image data before it is compressed into a final file. Foundational styles like shadows, natural, and vanilla avoid the historically over-sharpened, highly processed aesthetic found on earlier Pixel generations. By giving users sensor-level control over the image's vibe, Google is directly challenging Apple's photographic styles and prioritizing photographic authenticity. Google is also launching a Creator Suite in an attempt to pull users away from third-party recording and editing apps. The camera app now includes native tools like a scrolling teleprompter, social media framing guides, and live audio visualizers. A new Magic Capture tool allows you to simultaneously record 1080p video while the AI extracts high-quality 12-megapixel still photos with a single tap. Early testing indicates a catch. Video stabilization in Magic Capture mode is currently less effective than the phone's standard video mode. Beyond the camera, the Gemini AI can now transcribe voice notes while accurately filtering out filler words. It even has a physical presence on the device. This is Highlight, an RGB LED ring around the camera flash that pulses during Gemini interactions and provides customizable color alerts for specific contacts. Highlight creates a physical connection to Google's AI assistant, ensuring the device remains interactive even when it is placed face down. Ultimately, the Pixel 11 prioritizes aesthetic control and AI-driven workflows over traditional hardware benchmarks. Pre-orders are open now, and the full lineup will arrive in retail stores on August 20th. The smartphone has transitioned into a dedicated AI-assisted production studio.